Hi everyone, welcome back to Huxtello iTech. Get ready, folks, because Black Sherif is back with a bang. The Ghanaian sensation has been making waves with his music, and now he's teasing fans with something new, a political song. In this exclusive behind-the-scenes look, we're giving you a sneak peek into Black Sherif's creative process as he dives into uncharted territory. Fans are already buzzing with excitement, eagerly awaiting the release of Black Sherif's latest masterpiece. Will it shake up the status quo? Only time will tell. So, buckle up and stay tuned, because Black Sherif is about to drop a bombshell with his new political song. Don't miss out on the conversation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to hear it. Until next time, this is Huxtello iTech signing off.